Welcome back to Tam's Classy Creations, the channel where we break down projects so even a beginner can do it. Hello friends, today I have a fun DIY video for you. We're gonna make a few fun things out of denim. Stop throwing away your jeans. You can do so much with them. I have a few other videos where I make things out of old jeans. Feel free to take a look at any of those. Anyway, I'll stop talking your ear off and let's get started with the video today. These are the items we need for our first project. Some jean seams, some cording, a chain necklace, rhinestones or buttons. I want to show you all the spots where you can get some jean seams. So these make really good. These running this way are great. Sometimes they have them at the side seams or the crotch seam, and sometimes they don't. But you could also get it right here. We need about 18 inches of the jean seam for this, and if you have smaller pieces like I do, you can zigzag them together, and if you don't want to sew, you can glue it. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this up, roll it up, and I'm going to apply glue every inch or so, and we're going to roll it up till we have about 3 inches left at the end. Now, just about 1.5 inches or so, we're going to measure our little circle we've created. So this is on the side. We're going to take right here and we're going to put some glue here. Now I'm going to take the cording and I'm going to wrap it around a couple times. Now we're going to make sure our cording is straight and the only glue on it is underneath. So we're going to glue it a little bit more and all the way to the end now. Then we'll put a pin here so that can dry. Now when this gets dry, you can clip the cording right to the jean seam. Now you need a tool or something, but you want to pick this up and squeeze the smallest part of the necklace chain underneath here. And then once you get that end, it's pretty easy. Then you have a necklace. Now I think this looks good plain for a necklace, but you could add a button, or I'm going to add this rhinestone. I'm going to glue the back on it and have that. For our next project, we're going to need jean seams, but this time we need fabric on each side of them. We need some rhinestones, and I have this jewel picker to help. We need some pliers to put on these fabric clamps, and we can even use some lobster clasp for the end, and we need glue. First thing we're going to do is glue the excess material over onto the jean seam, so we have nice edges and no fraying. Now I've put some rhinestones on and I've put the lobster clasp on. Now is the time you need to measure it and make sure it fits your wrist and cut it accordingly. Now I'm going to finish putting the rhinestones on. So now we're going to put the other side on of the fabric clamp. So it's pretty easy. We'll just get it on there tight, and I'm going to use my pliers. For our last project now, we just need some jean seams. It's really easy, and to To get a long piece, you can just zigzag your ends together, or again, you can just glue it. Just like the first project we did, we're going to glue this up, rolling it, and I'm going to glue it again every few inches. Now we want to let this dry, but with all the glue in there, it is really sturdy. And again, I put a lot of pieces together of the seams with a zigzag stitch. So I just love this for my coffee coaster, but I thought, wouldn't it be cute too with rhinestones all around it? And there's my coffee cup. I hope you like these 3 little creations I made. Let me know in the comments what DIY things you like to make. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in the next video.